Okay po, then the monkey dance, hunting dance, or sayaw ng mundo. What the paper is that monkeys are great hunter in the world.
Monkey dance?
There's no other animals to match their skills in terms of hunting and foraging. Again po, the monkey dance or hunting dance. Okay po, sa puno po. Sabi na lang po tayo kasi po may babagsak na King Kong dyan. Okay po, again, the monkey dance, once again, the monkey dance or sayaw ng mundo.
Aakit siya. Ay, puta. Ay, shit! Wow.
Nagulat ako doon, kaya hinawakan ko siya.
Okay po, for the last dance we have po is the war dance or also known as binabayani or pagbabayani dance. During olden times, whenever misunderstanding arises between tribes, they would send out their warriors into fighting against other tribes. But before going out in an actual combat, this dance is normally performed to ask guidance to their gods kung ano na mangyari or Black Nazareth to give them a victorious fight or to somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner. Again, the war dance or binabayani or pagbabayani. Ganda lang po kayo, minsan po nire-release nila yung... Okay po, that will be the end of short for you by our brothers, the Pride of Cubing Forest. Thank you so much po. Please kindly stand up and proceed na po tayo sa ating last attraction, the Crocolocker Crocodile.
Dalawa naman yung gulat pa. Oh my God,
Sassy, happy?
Nagulat ako.
Nagulat tayo ah. Pero may trip pa tayo.
Dalawang gulat.